The FCC has announced that starting in 2020, manufacturers are required to phase out the production of garage door openers that use traditional fixed code technology, which is vulnerable to security breaches. This FCC decision not only affects garage door controls, but also various other wireless devices that operate in the same 300 to 433 MHz frequency. These include security systems, car keyless entry systems, wireless medical devices such as emergency pendants, wireless light switches, and wireless speakers. Manufacturers had to stop producing garage door openers with fixed code technology by October 2023. It will be illegal for retailers to sell garage door openers with fixed code technology by November 2024. By eliminating fixed code technology, the FCC aims to enhance security and reduce the risk of unauthorized access to homes and other premises. However, this change may require consumers to upgrade their existing devices to ensure continued functionality. Manufacturers have already begun offering replacement devices that use more secure technologies, such as rolling code technology, frequency hopping spread spectrum or FHSS, and secure sockets layer or SSL encryption. To avoid potential disruptions, consumers are advised to firstly check the frequency of their existing wireless devices and determine if they use fixed code technology. Secondly, contact manufacturers or retailers for upgrade options if necessary. And thirdly, consider investing in devices that use more secure technologies. Fixed code technology is being phased out because it is vulnerable to security breaches. This means that someone could potentially intercept the code transmitted by your garage door opener or other wireless device and use it to gain unauthorized access to your property. Rolling code technology is a more secure alternative because it generates a new code each time the device is used. This makes it much more difficult for someone to intercept and use the code. Frequency hopping spread spectrum, or FHSS, is another secure alternative. It works by transmitting the signal over a wide range of frequencies, making it more difficult for someone to jam or intercept the signal. Secure sockets layer or SSL encryption is a technology that encrypts the data transmitted between your device and the receiver. This makes it much more difficult for someone to intercept and read the data. If you are concerned about the security of your garage door opener or other wireless devices, you should consider upgrading to a device that uses one of these more secure technologies. The transition to more secure wireless technologies is a positive step towards enhancing security and reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Understanding the changes and taking proactive steps to upgrade devices will help consumers maintain the functionality and security of their homes and other premises. Consumers are advised to check the frequency of their existing wireless devices and determine if they use fixed code technology. Contact manufacturers or retailers for upgrade options if necessary, and consider investing in devices that use more secure technologies such as rolling code technology, frequency hopping spread spectrum, or secure sockets layer encryption. This will help them to avoid potential disruptions and ensure the continued security of their homes and other premises. The FCC decision to phase out fixed code technology is a significant step towards improving the security of wireless devices. By understanding the changes and taking proactive steps to upgrade devices, consumers can protect themselves from unauthorized access and ensure the continued functionality of their wireless systems.